In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make newsletters on Constant Contact. Once you are logged in, start on the left-hand navigation menu. Look for Channels, and then choose Emails. This area is where you create and manage your email newsletters, so it is a good place to return to anytime you want to build a new message or review past campaigns. Next, you will start your campaign. Click the button that says Create or Create an Email. This opens the setup flow and takes you into the template library, where you can choose the overall look and structure of your newsletter. Now select your template. Constant Contact offers a variety of layouts designed for different goals, like announcements, weekly updates, or promotional emails. Choose a template that matches the type of newsletter you are sending and the amount of content you plan to include. When you find one you like, hover your mouse over the template thumbnail and click Select. This will load the template into the email editor. From here, you will design and customize your newsletter using the drag-and-drop editor. The interface is built so you can click into areas and make changes without needing any coding. On the left-hand toolbar, you will see content blocks you can add, such as images, text, buttons, and videos. Drag the block you want into your layout, then click it to edit. Keep your text clear and easy to scan, and make sure buttons use simple action words so readers know what to do. After you place your content, go to the Design tab to style the overall email. This is where you can adjust global colors, fonts, and background graphics so your newsletter matches your brand. A helpful tip is to keep colors consistent and choose readable font sizes, especially for mobile viewers. When the design looks right, move on to Settings and Sending. Add the list or segment you want to receive the email so it goes to the correct audience. Then add your subject line. Make it specific and relevant to the content, since this is what readers see first. Finally, click Send. And that covers everything you need to know.